In this video, we'll walk you through the View All Sessions feature, a simple but powerful way for therapists to stay organized, informed, and in control of their treatment planning. We know how much therapists juggle, from treatment goals to medical records, therapy areas, and patient progress. That's why we've created a tool that gives you an easy, visual overview of all the sessions you've done with your patient in one place. Here's how it works. If you've done more than just a few sessions, even dozens or more, simply click on the View All button on the patient's page. This will open a full list of every session you've completed with that patient. You'll get a clean, visual summary of each session, so you can quickly see what you've worked on, what activities you've used, and what therapy areas you've focused on. Need to go deeper into a session? Just click on it. From there, you can view all the details: the session date and time, the duration, the therapy areas covered, your notes, any photos or videos used. Everything is there. You can even add new notes or resources to a past session if needed. It's the perfect way to review progress, prepare for future sessions, or just stay up to date with where you and your client are in the journey. With SpecialT's View All Sessions feature, everything you need is right at your fingertips.